I have here three of the most extraordinary examples of silverwork by the very famous Indian colonial silversmith Oomersi Mawji that probably are known. First of all, there's this tea set here, shaped as birds. That's the actual teapot, quite extraordinary. And here we have an elephant, just a model with a mahout and the howdah on the back. And this here is a water jug shaped as a traditional gamuki vessel, and it's a coco de mer with silver mounts. Each of these was made around probably 1870 in Kutch, in the town of Bhuj, which is where Oomersi Mawji had his workshop. By the 1860s, Oomersi Mawji was a well-known silversmith, and he was accepting commissions from the Maharajas of Baroda and Kutch. And then by 1878, his works were being exhibited at the Paris exhibition, or the Great Fair in Paris of 1878. And thereafter, he became very popular with the colonial export market, particularly to London, and his works were being sold in the very famous shop Liberties and elsewhere. Today, it is probably the most sought after Indian silver on the market. Prices are phenomenal. Each of these pieces is stamped OM for Oomersi Mawji. He always used his initials OM, and then Bhuj for the town that he operated in. He died around 1890, it's believed, no one's quite sure, and thereafter his sons took over his workshop. But these three items, the tea set and so on, these were made in the lifetime of Oomersi Mawji in Bhuj in Kutch, in Gujarat state in India. Anyway, so it's a very rare opportunity to see three of these extraordinary pieces all just sitting on one table.